Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This will be your heads up for our next Faculty Council meeting, which will be on May 10th at the West Campus, 11106, from 2 to 5 p.m. We'll start this meeting like we always do to see how the council members are doing, especially since summer semester is already here and we're all in Canvas and hopefully really excited. We'll talk about what's going on. Remember that the Valencia Foundation Share the Love campaign is still going on, so if you're able to donate, please do. All the resources are here. Winnie Javogalou is doing a listening tour for the new School of Arts and Entertainment. The last two are May 18 and May 23 at the East and Osceola campuses, and we're always promoting the Valencia College Safety app. Hopefully you already have it. If not, please download it and have that in your phone. I went ahead and put my April agenda, all the meetings I went to, or most of the meetings I went to in April, and some links to agendas and minutes. So if you want to see all the stuff that's going on and the different things that we're involved with. And if you have any questions on anything, please don't hesitate to contact me. Also, if you want to go back and look at the April agenda and all the things that we passed then, you can always go back, or March and previously, to see all the things that we're doing at Faculty Council. And I put a link to the strategic plan. I think we need to make sure that we're always thinking about the strategic plan and linking everything to the strategic plan. So you notice in this agenda, I have the Learning Assured, Building Pathways, Invest in Each Other, the Partner with Community in the agenda to show that the links from what we're doing at Faculty Council to the strategic plan. So you can click here and go through the strategic plan and give yourself a little refresher on it, because everything should be tied to our strategic plan. And then Karen Borglum will be there and give us a civic literacy update. The latest update is here. Feel free to check that out. And remember that it's been changing, so keep up to date with it. OIT has developed a one-pager for the One Device campaign, so feel free to check through this. I am part of the pilot, so if you have any questions on it, please let me know what the setup looks like. But there have been some questions about the One Device, and this should give you some good information on it. And then there's a couple things that we're voting for. Number one, the faculty compensation team is going to enlarge their scope. The proposal is here. This was brought up a couple months ago, but I just want to bring it up one more time to make sure everyone's okay with it. Basically, the addition of it's going to be faculty compensation and evaluation advisory committee. So we're adding the part about evaluation to this group. And we're going to be talking about the Endowed Chair Committee has elected April from the Faculty Council to lead that work. Thank you, April. But we're going to go ahead and make sure it is officially endorsed. And then we're going to have a discussion. This is just a discussion. It's not up for vote or endorsement or anything like that. But we have had some questions about faculty members withdrawing after the withdrawal deadline and what the thoughts are for faculty. So again, that's just a discussion. Are many faculty doing it, not doing it, what their thoughts on? So the issue is here. The procedure is here, and we're collecting feedback. So again, we're just collecting feedback on faculty's thoughts on withdrawing after the deadline. There are faculty that on their syllabus that you've listed that for attendance reasons you can withdraw a student after the deadline, and other faculty don't have that. So we're just going to get the feeling of what faculty are thinking. Again, it's just a discussion. Then we're going to have a legislative update from Jay Galbraith and Bill Maloney. Also, we should have some representatives. If the representatives are not able to come for this one, they may be coming in June. But we should have some local representatives, because again, we're trying to partner with the community as part of strategic plan. But we're definitely going to get a legislative update from Jay and Bill. And then we'll talk with Wendy Du about some professional development updates. Canvas, how's everything's going, and all the developments with the FIP and the HIP and all the things going on in summer destination. Hopefully you're a part of that. If not, it's a great opportunity to think about in the future. And then we'll find out how the campuses are doing, talk about more engagement ideas, and our next Faculty Council meeting will be on June 14 from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Osceola campus. As always, if there's anything I can do to help, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. Thank you for all your hard work, and I hope you have a wonderful summer. And remember, in the Faculty Insight, I'll give you an update on what happened at the Faculty Council meeting. Remember, this is the heads up, and then in the Faculty Insight, we'll see how things went. Thank you so much.